Alright, a week or so has gone by since I did the coolant bypass install, got all that done. First test run out on the water was great. Didn't have any problems, temperatures were all perfect. So I was very happy to see that. So I started the boat today. It's December 31st, New Year's Eve. Just plenty of time for some extra tinkering on the boat. So everything was running well. Get down in the engine room and check everything out. And I've got a puddle of coolant to be expected. So tip of the day, if you do any kind of work, especially with hose clamps or anything like that, go through a heat cycle, then go back and check everything you touched. That's just good practice, and sure enough, I had a few hose clamps that were loose and needed to tighten them up. So looking at the motor, there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a whole bunch of hose clamps everywhere, and it's easy to forget one or two, or maybe three in my case, but got those all tightened up, and I'm going to let this cool down. And I lost a fair amount of coolant, so we'll see once this cools down if it'll suck any from the overflow, because right now it's pretty darn full, so we'll see if that level will drop. Then we'll top off the coolant if needed, and then ready for another run. Saturday, January 2nd, is supposed to be a really nice day, and maybe we'll take the boat out for another rip. So a quick note, in the winter, they shut the water off, so I either have to use the freeze-proof water thing and keep the water tank full on the boat. So, 50 gallons lasts a week or so, and just fill it up again. But that's pretty much it. That's the one downside of the winter, is they shut the water off. But, fortunately the boat has a water tank and water pump, and it's almost no different. Just have to fill it up, and usually it runs out at the best of time when it's 23 below zero and you're trying to take a hot shower and you run out of water. But it's all part of the fun. Another quick note, how do you know when the water tank is done filling? Well, there you go.